Hi, it's Mobile Max, 310-804-4185. Mobile Auto Repair in West Hollywood area. 310-804-4185. It's a 2008 Toyota Tacoma. It's my own personal truck. I've taken pretty good care of it. I've changed the oil. I put premium gas. Only got 75,000. Yesterday I was moving it for street sweeping. So I started it up and took it around the block. All of a sudden it started dying and the idle went down and I couldn't go anywhere, and then finally it died. And then when I tried to start it, it would just idle very little and then die, and there was no power, so I had to have it towed to my garage. The only thing I noticed wrong was this little ground wire that goes to the body. There's a main ground wire that goes to the engine block, and then there's a little ground wire that goes to the body. And it was broken, but it's been like that for a long time. So I fixed it. I put another ground wire that goes from the ground of the battery to the side of the frame, engine unibody. But it didn't fix my problem. It still didn't have any power and idled very low, and then it would die. So I disconnected the fuel line next. That's a pretty easy job. One's the return and one's the pressure. The one without the this is the return with the clamps, low pressure, and this is the one from the fuel pump. This should have the higher pressure. It's pretty easy to anyway, I removed it. You got to pull the cover off is what you got to do. There's a cover here for the fuel line. You got to pull the cover and then you just push the buttons and it comes off. At any rate, I checked the fuel pressure and it seemed like it was okay. And then I put it all back together and started right up and everything was fine. So what I'm thinking is this little ground wire that goes to the body here damaged the circuit. I couldn't get a good circuit to the whole car, and it took like a night of sitting for it to repair itself. So the answer was you need a good battery and definitely get this little ground wire to the body. It's important. 310-804-4185. Mobile Max. Thank you.